Imran Khan is a Pakistani politician, former cricketer, and the current Prime Minister of Pakistan. He is the founder of the political party, Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf (PTI), which he established in 1996. Imran Khan was born in Lahore, Pakistan on October 5, 1952. He was educated at Aitchison College in Lahore and later attended the University of Oxford where he studied politics, philosophy, and economics. Khan began his cricketing career in the 1970s and became the captain of the Pakistan cricket team in 1982. He led his team to victory in the 1992 Cricket World Cup, which was a major milestone in Pakistan's cricketing history. After retiring from cricket, Imran Khan became involved in social and political activism. In 1996, he founded the Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf (PTI) party with the aim of creating a just and equitable society in Pakistan. The PTI struggled to gain a foothold in Pakistani politics for many years. However, in the 2013 general elections, the party emerged as a major player, winning 35 seats in the National Assembly of Pakistan. In the 2018 elections, the PTI emerged as the largest party, winning 116 seats out of 272. On August 17, 2018, Imran Khan was elected as the 22nd Prime Minister of Pakistan, after his party won a majority in the National Assembly. He has since implemented a number of reforms in various sectors, including healthcare, education, and the economy. He has also been actively involved in foreign policy, particularly in relation to Pakistan's relations with neighboring countries such as India and Afghanistan. Overall, Imran Khan's political career has been marked by his commitment to social justice, economic development, and a more equitable society in Pakistan.